Hello everybody, in this video I am going to make a personal description and description to my brother. Activity number 2, What do you look like? By Anderson Sebastian Gil Acosta. My description. I am 19 years old and I weight 82 kilograms. My height is 1.80 meters. The shape of my face looks like oval. My nose looks like thin and long. My eyes look round and big. My eyes are black. I have short curly hair. The color of my hair is black. I am large. My mouth looks big and smiling. Description of my brother. My brother is 16 years old. He is tall. His height is 1.70 meters. He weighs 58 kilograms. The shape of his face is fine and well defined. His nose is thin and small. The shape of his eyes are round and large. The color of his eyes is dark brown. His hair is curly and the color of the hair is brown. Thank you.